Good day, ma'am. My name is Jomar Inescusura, 18 years old from the province of Surigao del Norte, Siargao Island. We are 4 children in total in our family, and I'm the second to the last child. I love singing. Since I was a child, I was performing in our school, and recently I was given the opportunity to represent our department, the engineering department, to perform in the quartet competition, and we are fifth, I think, or fourth during the competition. I'm currently taking civil engineering, but a Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering, major in structural, because my goal is to become an engineer. Obviously, since I was in high school, I love mathematics. It is the only subject that I think I'm comfortable with. So yeah, that's why I take engineering. And I also love constructing, since the constructions are the foundations of the success of a society or an environment. Aside from singing and mathematics, I also love dancing. I also love exercising to maintain my health, and I also love playing some mobile games when I have free time to release the stress from academics. So that's it about myself, ma'am. Thank you.